Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our main focus will be on Neco 2025 BECE Mathematics on paper 1. And our focus basically will be from question number 1 to question number 10. Alright, now let's go to the first question. It says, which of the following is a perfect square? Now, the answer here is C. Why is simplify the perfect square? When two identical numbers multiply themselves, they give you the perfect square. For instance, if I have 2 times 2 gives me 4. 4 is a perfect square. 3 times 3 gives me 9. 9 is a perfect square. And 5 times 5 gives me 25. Therefore means that 25 is a perfect square. Alright, let's go to question number 2. Simplify 2 plus 2 minus 2 times 5 plus 4 in brackets 3 times 2. Now don't forget that in mathematics you basically deal with the law of quad mass. Therefore means that I need to open the bracket first. So that every issue that has to do with the bracket. So now I have 2 plus 3 minus 2 times 5 plus 6. 4. Now 3 times 2 gives me 6. So I now open the bracket now. So I have 2 plus 3 minus 2 times 5 plus 4 times 6 gives me 24. Alright, so now in this case now, the next one I'm going to do now is 2 plus 3. Don't forget I have to multiply first. So minus 2 times 5 gives me a minus 10 plus 24. Alright, so in this case now I have 2 plus 5 gives me 2 plus 3 gives me 5 minus 10 plus 24. So 5 minus 10 gives me minus 5 plus 24. So minus 5 plus 24 gives me 19. So therefore means that this will give us a final answer as 19. Alright, question number 3 says round off 27689 to the nearest 10. Don't forget our place value will play a very important part here. 2, 7, 6, 8, 9. This is unit, this is 10. Now, I'm asked to convert this to the nearest 10. Now, this is 10. It therefore means that it is only the unit that can influence the 10. So now, since the unit is up to 9, so I will add plus 1 to 8. So this will turn into 2, 7, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, and this will be 0. So to round off 2, 7, 6, 8, 9 to the nearest 10 will be 2, 7, 6, 9, 0. Okay, let's go to question number 4. Express 2.160 as a fraction in its lowest 10. Now, in this case now, 2.160 as a fraction in its lowest 10, we have 2.160. So to compare this to a fraction, I put my decimal point 1, 2, 3. So this will give me 2160 and move the decimal point 3 times. So I have 1000. Alright, so I'm going to reduce it to a fraction in its lowest 10. Now in this case now I have 0 cancels 0. So I'll be left with 216 over 100. So 100 goes into 216. Don't forget that 100 goes into 200, that is 2 times. So I'll have 2, remember the 16 over 100. So in this case now, 2 goes into 16, that is 8 times. 2 goes into 100, that is 50. I can still use 2. So 2 goes into 8, that is 4 times. 2 goes in here, 25. So finally, our answer will give me 2 whole number 4 over 25. So 2.160 as a fraction in its lowest 10 will give us a mixed number here, 2 whole number 4 over 25. Alright, let's go to question number 5. It says, subtract 1002 from 3001. Leave your answer in 3 significant figures. Alright, let's focus on the first part of the question that says 3001 minus 1002. So in this case now, 1 minus 2 is very possible. So I'm going to take out 1 from here. This will bring 2, 9, 9, and 1. So 11 minus 2 gives me 9. 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 2 minus 1 gives me 1. So this will give me 1999, 1999. But don't forget, you have to leave your answers in 3 significant figures. Now, the first 3 significant figures here are 1, 2, 3. So, the therefore means the next number can actually influence the next significant figure. So this will give me a +1 for this. So if I add 1 to this, it will be 10, 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 0 and carry 1, this will be 2. So at the end of the day now, we're going to have 199 in 3 significant figures will give us 2000. Alright, so for question number 6, find the LCM of 36, 24 and 81. Alright, 36, 24, 81. Alright, in that case now 2 goes into 3, or into 36 is 18. How do you get 18? 2 goes into 3, 1 remainder 1, 2 goes into 16, that is 8. 2 goes into 24, that is 12 times. 2 cannot go into 81. Alright, so bring down the 81. So 2 goes into 18, that is 9 times. 2 goes into 12, that is 6 times. 2 cannot go into 81, so let's bring down 81. So I have 2 cannot go into 9, so I bring the 9 down. 2 goes into 6, that is 3 times. 2 cannot go into 81, so I bring down the 81. So in this case now, there are no even numbers here. So next number you can, the next prime factor you can use is 3. So I have 3 goes into 9, that's 3 times. 3 goes into 3, 1. 3 goes into 8, that is 2 times remainder 1. 3, remainder 2. Now 3 goes into 21, that is 7. So I'll use it again. 3 goes into itself, 1, bring down 1. 3 goes into 27, that is 9 times. So I'll use it again. 3 goes in here, 1, 1, 3. So 3 goes in here, 1, 1, 1. So to find the LCM, I'll do that this other way. So the LCM in that case will give me 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we have the 2, 3 places, 3, 4 places, sorry. So this will give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So that will give me 6, 4, 8. So the LCM of 36, 24 and 81 is 648. Alright, now let's go to question number 7. It says that we find the sum of 111 is 2, 111 is 2, and 100 is 2. This is addition of binary numbers. So now in this case now, we have 111 is 2 plus 111 is 2 plus 100 is 2. So 1 plus 1 in base 2 gives me 10. So write 0 and carry 1. Now in this case now, in multiplication, 1 plus 1 is 10. So 10 plus 1 gives us 1, 1. So write 1 and carry 1. So in this case now, we have different ones here. So see what I'm going to do now. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So in this case now, so give me 0. 1 plus 1 is, so 1 plus 1 is what? 1, 0. So I have 0 and carry 1, 0. So the answer will be 10010 is 2. Alright, now let's go to question number 8. Express 0.00402 in standard form. This is very simple. We have 0.00402. So all I need to do now is to move a decimal point to the first significant figure. So here now, the first significant figure here is 4. So I'll move 1, 2, 3. So that will be 4.02 times 10. This I move to the right hand side. The power will be negative minus 10 raised to the power minus 3. So 0.00402 in standard form will be 4.02 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Alright, now number 9 says, which of the following is a prime factor of 100? Now in this case now, there are two ways of solving this. Normally you can actually go to the numbers. 25 is not a prime number, so it's off. 20 is something, 10 is something, 4 cannot be a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So the answer will be D. And it is only 5 that is a prime number that can go into 100. So which of the following is a prime factor of 100? Automatically will be 5. Alright. So the last question says, express 240 centimeters as a percentage of 600 centimeters. So all I have to do now is 240 centimeters divided by 600 centimeters times 100 over 1. This cancels this, 0 cancels 0. So in this case now, I actually say 0 cancels 0 again. So 24 times 10, 24 times 10 divided by 6. 6 goes into itself, 1 goes into 24, that is 4 times. So 4 times 10 gives us 40%. So 240 centimeters as a percentage of 600 centimeters is 40%. Alright, we've come to the end of our lesson today on Neco 2025 BECE Mathematics paper 1, question number 1 to number 10. I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Alright, until next time, you have question number 11 to question number 20. Bye.